We are pleased to show you the 2017 CTS. The CTS is a well-sorted blend of all-American style and European-inspired tuning with a cutting-edge design. The luxury CTS blends elegant styling, performance, and exceptional fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, electronic parking brake, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, power brakes, ambient lighting, braking assist. Come see the car for yourself.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.